Support your local snails. Support your local snail community. All right, buddy, pick up the pace. You don't got all day. A snail's life. Oh, here's one. Here's a good one. How you doing, boss? Oh, I'm not trying to scare you. The problem with filming snails is that they're like turtles. They get camera shy. So as soon as you get too close to them, they go back into their shell. They scamper back into their shell. That's enough about snails for the moment. Shh. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting crows. We're crow calling. Crow calling out in the field, boy. God bless them. God bless those little crows, you know? My little spiritual buddies. I reckon they be some crows in these parts. So I figure, why not come out here and do a little crow calling, boy? Sun's peeking out over the ridge over there yonder. Might as well turn my hat a little bit forward, you know, to divert some of that sun from my eye, boy. You need to have a plumb eyesight when you're hunting crow, boy. Pay attention now. I think I saw this on YouTube. I got this crow whistle. Doubles as a turkey whistle, too. Gobble, gobble. Locate turkeys or call crows. Extreme long volume. Range. Soft body for natural sounds. Wouldn't you know it, I didn't put any batteries in my camera. Gotta get my camera set up, boy. See, when you long range filming crow, boy, it's very important. See, I'm a chicken, boy. It's a little bit different than hunting chicken, boy. See, now when you be hunting crow long distance now, you see, best to have yourself a long focal length top camera. Telephoto lens, boy, is what they call it in the industry. Telephoto lens, boy. You want to get your telephoto lens, boy, correct when you be hunting them crow, boy. Quit fucking with me. Quit fucking with me. All right, I got it. That's what they call a telephoto lens, boy. All right. Be very, very quiet. We're crow calling. Not very subtle. You gotta work on I gotta work on my cupping. You gotta cup it a certain way and hold it a certain way to get the right. I think I heard something. to get the right I even brought peanuts. Apparently crows like peanuts. Apparently crows like peanuts, right? So I figured, why not have a little peanut party with my crow buddies? They're coming. I see a little bird action over there yonder. Look like some little red jackets. Red yellow jackets. The little black red yellow jackets. I see a little bird action in that direction. Nothing. Huh? I see one right over there. Those lazy ass crows, man. With it 7:40 in the morning, you think they'd be up and at 'em. Whatever happened to the early bird catches the worm and all that? So far, all I've seen is some snails. Desolate landscape. Guess they don't like me too much. There's dozens of them around here. I see them swooping and flying and swapping all the time. Oh, I see a little bird action there yonder. See? There we go. This one looks like a bust. Could have sworn there'd be some crows up in this bitch. Looking a little dim. We get one crow. I'll settle for one. One crow. Top of the morning to you, laddie! Top of the morning to you, laddie! I'm the kind of guy who can make an enemy anywhere I go because I'm a jovial, independent individual, and people hate that. Most people are drone zombies, and they want to control your every move. I'm in a field blowing on a crow caller. Some fucking goofballs over there making a big fuss about it. The fire department and the paramedics. What's over here but a little field? There ain't nothing over here. Making a big deal about it. That's how people are, man. What can you do? It's hard being an individual these days. Everybody hates you. It's a lot of bird activity. I mean, I don't know what I'm thinking. I thought they're going to come over to me like Snow White or whatever, or like Cinderella. They fly over and like land on me or something. They got some haters in the background doing whatever the fuck they're doing. Definitely some bird activity though. They're riled up, boy. I don't know if you hear that. They're chirping away, boy. They're riled up. So a little side note, I'm in this little field here. So behind me is like a little paramedic center. I don't know, a paramedic hall. So now that I think about it, I don't know, do paramedics like sleep on site waiting to go to the next call or whatever? That could be possible. But anyways, they're getting a little pissy because of the bird calls, I think. Like most people in life, they have no sense of humor. I don't think we're gonna catch a crow today, boy. Not very subtle. First time using the crow caller, and you gotta be subtle with it. You gotta get a good rhythm, a good sound. It's gotta sound natural, the pattern. I was just wailing away on it to see what would happen, and it might have spooked the birds. It caught their attention. You could hear the bird activity. It caught the attention, but it was a little, maybe a little bit too much. I was just honking on it, going on it, right? And that doesn't, it's not very natural sounding. So perhaps it upset the birds or spooked them. So next time it got to be a little bit more rhythmic, a little bit more subtle, try to get a better sound, out of it. Top of the morning to you, laddie. Top of the morning to you, laddie. Beautiful day to be alive. Sun is shining. Very fun video. We're gonna cut it off at that. Thank you very much. And peace. Now you take it easy on them crows and ravens, boy. They're beautiful. Beautiful little creatures. He's over there. There's one over there. All right, I gotta split. Ooh.